you're lucky Mayawati hasn't dubbed this as a terrorist attack cross-border, be it may. Because it could also be a cross-border terrorist attack into which she will force Mr. Chidambaram to kind of investigate. So this is the situation. Let's say the DIG indicts all these bees. Where are we going to jail them? I find this whole thing a comedy of errors. It's so much fun. I mean, it must be great to belong to Uttar Pradesh under Mayawati, because electricity ain't there, no water, children can't go to school, Bareilly has been shut down for 14 days, and what do we see? A government being vindictive on bees. For God's sake, spare the honey.
Mr. Sharma, this has gone too far.
I can't. Can it be? This,
I can't understand.
Mr. Sharma wants to respond to you.
Samaj.
Being a senior police official, who served as a DIG, a DGP, he cannot make the ridiculous statement that the terrorist attack or whatever thing it is there. Do you think
no, that was not. That was
also holds a constitutional post. No, she also.
No, that was not made. That's a point not made by Shriram Arun. That's a point made by Sohail Seth.
Sunil.
No, but the point here is, Mr. Sharma, tonight, explain what I'm on a serious point, and I must make this point here that we are not doing this in jest.
You should not laugh.
We are not doing this in jest.
The personalities should not laugh at.
This is not in jest.
Thing it has happened.
It's a very serious issue.
No, this is.
No, it is. We are all concerned. The crores of the Karyakartas or workers are concerned about her security. Why he comments on that very ridiculously, very irresponsibly he comments. I cannot understand the thing.
I agree
terrorist attack and whatever thing is there. You can.
I never reacted like that.
Actually,
the timings. No, the timings
but
in which the bees are attacking. No, it is a serious note. It is. You also observe that the timings in which the fire is happened, bees are attacked. You know that what is
bees
happened.
Are known to be punctual.
Bees are not attacked. Bees are not attacked.
May I say something?
It was. Hello. Can you hear me?
Mr. Arnav, may I say something?
Bees which come out from.
Yes, go on, sir. Go on. That's not. Go on, sir. Go on. I can completely hear you. I'm only on a very limited point here. That what happens to the police officer who's asked to investigate the bee attack? I mean, there has to be at some point of time. It's about the use of police officers. A senior DIG after 20 years of service is asked by a sitting chief minister to investigate something on which the chief minister already seems to have prejudged the entire situation. She has already prejudged that it's a political conspiracy. What is the DIG going to do?
It is a political conspiracy. You know that who is handled all these things. It is a very serious concern about the security. When the bees are attacked, something happened, the mob infected, there may be some miscreants or the antisocial elements which was in the mob, they may attack the...
I am putting this to the people watching the show tonight. No, I am putting this issue to the people watching the show tonight.
But Arnav, this is a serious issue.
No, Sohail,
this is a serious issue. There was a...
Seriously, Sohail.
No, this is a serious issue, but I am seriously upset that my money as a taxpayer will go into this almost, Keystone Cop kind of investigation, where we are now going to worry about a conspiracy theory concerning bees. I mean, for God's sake, Mr. Sharma, wake up and smell the coffee. This is a serious country. We have serious problems in the state that you govern.
Yeah,
I mean, the fact that we're even discussing this in a manner like this is tragic.
Well,
people are talking about the fact that Mayawati has spent atrocious sums of government money on her birthday celebrations. People are commenting, and it's not just me. Media is commenting.
Yeah.
So while I appreciate your concerns for security of your dear leader, the reality is that this is coming out as a comedy of errors. Okay. And it is only harming brand Mayawati rather than building it.
Okay, I want Shriram Arun to come in for a last word on this debate. This is a strange discussion, and may I clarify here, without taking sides, the only reason we are doing this on the News Hour tonight is for the sheer ludicrousness of this entire situation, where you have a DIG investigating an insect attack. This has never happened before in our democracy. Yes, last word from you, Mr. Arun.
Yeah, you see, this is very important input for the future judgments that are likely to be made for any VIP or VIP. What DIG will do, I can't say, but you see, how did it happen, why did it happen, whether it was natural act or it was a conspiracy, I think it will be thrashed out in the meeting.
No, but
inquiry by the DIG.
Okay, Mr. Arun, you're playing safe. I can appreciate that. I'm wrapping this up on the News Hour tonight, but I am putting that question to each and every viewer who's watching the show this evening. In our country, should a senior police officer after 20 years of service at the level of a Deputy Inspector General of Police be asked to investigate a bee attack? That's a serious question.